Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm about to have him try this these mangoes with this chamoya tangine sauce. He said it's nasty. He think it's nasty. It's real good, y'all. I promise you. It's like a sweet, fruity. Like it's made for fruit. Like this is so good. You ready?
I guess, man.
He's so scared.
It look nasty. All I want some sauce on fruit. Don't make any sense. I'm gonna try 2 of them.
All right, here.
So I can really try to see. I never tried this ever. First time. Let's see.
It's good. It's good, ain't it? You don't think so?
Give me one more for the video.
That's how you know it's good. If somebody asks for one more anything.
I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I'm gonna tell y'all 100% honest the truth.
It's so good. I'm addicted. I'm so addicted.
That is terrible.
You don't like it? It's good.
It's the most disgusting thing I ever seen.
He lying. So why did you eat it twice? So why you eat it a second?
I'm telling y'all. I am not lying.
You just ate it a second time.
It's the worst. This one of the top 20 worst things I ever tasted in my life. I only did 2 for the video. Oh my God. When I say I almost threw up the first time. I gotta eat grapes now. That was so nasty.
It was not nasty. It's real good, y'all. Y'all see,
I am not lying to y'all.
I'm telling y'all, try it. Give it a try. Mango.
Show them it again.
Get this little fruity look.
That's the worst thing I ever tasted. I give it a F plus.
F plus?
A 1 out of 10. I give it a -0.
So how you feel about me then?
Matter of fact, I give it a -10.
But how you feel about me then? You feel the way about this? Because I'm definitely smashing it.
She can eat it all she wants. That was the most terrible thing. My taste buds almost slapped me. Move. That's how mad I am. Like, that was terrible. Oh my. Terrible.
It was good.
I promise you, I am not lying. I'm telling y'all.
Like, share, subscribe, comment on this video.
Y'all know I ain't gonna lie. Y'all know I'm not gonna lie to y'all. That was terrible.
Comment this video, like this video, share it, subscribe. Tell us what you think. Who wanted to try this? Try it, y'all. I'm telling y'all. Let me know. Let me know if you tried it or not.
If you ain't got it, don't buy it. You got it, return it.
Bye, y'all.